Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best commercial reverse osmosis system on the market. The iSpring Crow 1004 stage tankless commercial reverse osmosis water filtration system. Designed for houses, restaurants, small businesses, and light industrial use, this system offers an impressive high flow rate of 1,000 gallons per day, making it a powerhouse for any commercial application. The iSpring CRO 1000 stands out primarily because of its tankless design, which means it delivers clean, filtered water on demand without the need for a bulky storage tank. This allows for a continuous flow of water at a rate of 0.7 gallons per minute. Its robust metal frame is freestanding and mounted on wheels with locking brakes, making it easy to move and secure in your workspace. One of the key features is the commercial-size reverse osmosis membrane. Housed in durable stainless steel, this large membrane removes up to 99% of more than 1,000 contaminants, including lead, chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, asbestos, calcium, and sodium. This extensive filtration ensures superior water purity for your customers or operations. The system uses a 4-stage filtration process. It begins with a 20-inch by 4.5-inch polypropylene sediment filter housed in a transparent casing, allowing you to monitor it easily. This first stage removes sediment, rust, and large particles. Following that, 2 carbon block filters enhance taste and reduce chlorine and other chemicals that affect water flavor and safety. Finally, the reverse osmosis membrane handles the fine filtration, delivering high-quality purified water. For those with water pressure below 80 psi, iSpring offers an optional booster pump called the PMP 1000 to maintain optimal performance. The system's built-in inlet and outlet pressure gauges help you monitor operating pressure, which is crucial for maintaining system efficiency. Maintenance is straightforward with recommended filter replacements spaced out conveniently. The sediment filter every 3 to 6 months. The carbon block filters every 6 to 12 months, and the RO membrane every 2 to 3 years, depending on your water quality. Replacement parts are easily accessible, making upkeep hassle-free for busy businesses. Versatility is another highlight. The CRO 1000 can be connected to a variety of water dispensing devices, such as drinking water faucets, ice makers, refrigerators, espresso machines, hydroponic systems, and more. Whether you're running a restaurant, coffee shop, bar, tea shop, brewery, spa, or clinic, this system is engineered to meet your demanding water purification needs. Measuring 23.5 inches in length, 10.5 inches in width, and standing 38.25 inches tall, this unit fits well into commercial environments without taking up unnecessary space. It weighs about 20.5 pounds and operates manually through water pressure without needing an electrical power source unless you add the booster pump. In summary, the iSpring CRO 1000 offers industrial-grade water purification with its high-capacity, tankless convenience and easy maintenance, making it a top choice for anyone looking to ensure clean, great-tasting water for commercial or residential use. If you want a reliable, high-flow reverse osmosis system that's built to last and adaptable to various setups, this is a system to seriously consider. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.